Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your videos really have this retro feel to it. So what I like to do is I like to go to the video effects. I like to select Betamax. If you can't find it, just search for it here. I think it's under TV. Select it and put it in your video. Here you can adjust the blur, the filters and whatnot, but I like to just keep it as is. Then you are going to go to retro and you're going to add in the low quality video effect on top of that to make the video seem more low quality. You can even adjust the colors a little bit here if you'd like to. Is it even working? Okay, maybe do that before you apply the video effects. Let me see if I actually can do it on the overlay. Yeah, there you go. Adjust the saturation a little bit because you don't want it too bright. This is an old video. I'm gonna make it a little bit warmer though. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I really like this low quality effect on videos. It just gives it that really retro feel. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!